Last time we watched a language model take a question and hand back an answer straight away. Now the newest models do something extra first. Before they answer, they think. Let's see what that actually means. Take the plainest question there is. Where is Delhi? An older model just blurts the answer. A reasoning model pauses and first works out what you're really asking. That pause is called a chain of thought. The model talks to itself step by step. Where means a location. Delhi is a place, a proper noun. The user probably wants the country. Only then does it say India.
So I can actually watch it think before it answers?
Yes. On these models, a little thinking block appears first, full of that back and forth chatter, and the final answer comes after. A plain model skips all that and just replies. Now for where is Delhi, the thinking is overkill. But give it a hard many-step problem and thinking first makes the answer far better. That's the whole point of a reasoning model. Here's the catch. All that thinking is extra words. In this world, a word or piece of a word is called a token. One short question can quietly turn into 100,000 tokens of thinking. And you pay per token. So reasoning costs more and runs slower. The trick is simple. Use a reasoning model for the hard problems and a plain fast one for the easy stuff. But even a model that thinks brilliantly hits a wall. Ask it today's weather and it's stuck. It can't look anything up on its own. Next, why LLMs need tools.